now we'll see another common parameter, plunge parameter. We'll see on that plunge parameter related things. Okay. I'll change the color of this chain so that it is visibility is good. So I'll change the line thickness also little bigger. Okay. Now I want to machine this component. Toolpath, turning, toolpath, rough, chain. So now we are going to, I don't want the entire thing. So up to here. Okay. Now in this case, plunge parameter, if you take normal tool, so it will give, so I want to cut the groove also here, and tool should be, I am going to take the 55-degree angle tool. Otherwise you can take the 35-degree angle tool also is okay. So now we'll take the 55-degree tool. So you just check in the parameter and setup. No, this is not suit to me. I'll change the other side. Setup clockwise. Okay. This is my 55-degree tool. Okay. Just recheck whether it's correct. Okay. Okay. Right tool. That's right tool. Okay. So in parameters there is a plunge parameters. So now the first option if you select means it will not cut any it will not touch on the groove. Okay. It just leave this groove and it will machine. Suppose so it will not at all touch the undercut. Okay. So it will not cut the undercut now. Now I'll modify next option. So it will cut both horizontal groove and also vertical groove. Regenerate. Leading issue is coming. Okay. So in even the 55-degree also, so it is gouging. Okay. Otherwise we will change to 35-degree tool. Setup. Suppose I just want to do roughing and finishing in the single tool. I switch on the second option in the plunge parameter. Okay. Okay. Horizontal. Okay, there is some issue in the entry. Okay. So now we'll go leading entry will make it 90. Okay, 90 minus 90 degree. So now there is no issue. There is no issue at all. Okay. So it's a lead issue. It's a simple how you are understanding and resolving this. Okay. This is the plunge parameters. And definitely this corner may not be possible to cut, but whatever possible, it plunge and cut. Okay. Third option, only cut in the horizontal. Fourth option, only on the face. So you can modify whatever the option you want. Okay. So vertical wall, nothing is there. That's why it is not done anything. So now we have seen about the plunge parameters. Okay. So plunge parameter is normally used wherever the grooves are there. Together, if you want to machine, then you can use the plunge parameter. So there is another option is available here, that's semi-finishing. So after roughing, you can add semi-finishing. So number of passes also you can add. Even you can keep the stock here for finishing also. Even you can reduce 0.1 in this semi-finishing. Roughing we have given 0.2 stock. What is the issue? Okay, I think why it is hitting, let us check. Okay, something went wrong, we'll see. I just made the rechain. I will check the plunge parameter now. Okay, second one I have selected. I will add semi-finishing also here. Okay, horizontal. So now you can see that the semi-finishing three passes, you can see it there. So you can backplot and see. One pass, two pass, third pass. Still 0.1 material must be there because we have kept it in the semi-finishing. So now we have seen two parameters, semi-finishing and the plunge parameters. So these two common parameters we have seen it now. Thank you.